Hello students, I am Bhupendra Vairagi and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Learn English with Bhupen Sir. In this video, we will discuss about the revised curriculum of class 9th English. As you all know that CBSE has cut down the syllabus by 30% due to COVID-19 epidemic. So in this video, we will discuss about the pattern of examination, deleted topics and mark-wise questions. So if you really like the video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, write your comments over there and do share with your friends. So let's start with the video. So first of all, we need to know the name of subject, and as you can see, that is English language and literature, and the code number is for your subject is 184. Right? One more thing which is very important, that this is the revised curriculum only applicable for the session 2020-21 till further notice. So in your examination paper consists of 3 sections. Section A is for reading skills and it carry 20 marks. Section B is for writing skill and grammar and it carry 20 marks. And section C is for literature and supplementary book for 40 marks, and total is of 80 marks. Now moving towards the reading skills. So first of all, we'll discuss the reading skills. In the reading skill portion, you will get an discursive passage of 400 to 450 words, in which there will be 12 questions in the first paragraph and you need to answer only 10 out of them, which carry 1 mark each. So the total is 10 marks. And in second question, there will be case-based factual passage of 200 to 50 words, and there will be 12 questions as well, and you need to answer only 10 of them, right? Same as the first paragraph, right? And it will carry 10 marks total. Moving towards the writing skill. In the writing skill, you will have the formal letter based on the given situation. The situation will be given in the question. You need to write only 1 out of 2 in around 100 to 120 words, and it carries 5 marks. In the second question, you need to write an analytical paragraph, and there will be clues or image will be given in this question paper. You need to write only 1 out of 2 in 100 to 120 words, and it carries 5 marks. Now in grammar portion, there will be 12 MCQs and you need to answer only 10 out of them, which carry 1 mark each. So let's discuss which topics are covered in the grammar portion. First of all, the first topic is tense, second one is modals, third one is subject verb concord, fourth one is determiners, fifth one is reported speech. In reported speech, there are commands and requests, statements and questions. So these are the topics which are covered under the grammar portion of your class 9th course. Moving towards section C, that is literature and supplementary book. So MCQ based on the extract from drama and prose, and any 1 out of 2 to be done. Okay, so there will be 2 extract from prose and drama and you need to answer only 1 of them, which will have 5 questions of 1 mark each, and you will get 5 marks. In the second question, this is the extract from poetry, and you need to answer any 1 out of 2, right? And it will also carry the 5 questions of 1 mark each, right? Next, moving towards very short answer type question. Then you have very short answer type question which you need to answer in about 20 to 30 words. There will be 6 questions, 3 from beehive and 3 from movements, but you need to answer only 4, 2 from beehive and 2 from movements, carry 2 marks each. So you need to answer the 4 questions, and this is for 2 marks each, so you will get 8 marks. The next question is short answer type, in which you need to answer the question in about 40 to 50 words. There will be 6 questions, 3 from behive and 3 from movements, but you need to answer only 4, 2 from behive and 2 from movements, and it will carry 3 marks each, and total is 12 marks. Moving towards long answer. So in long answer type questions, which you need to answer in about 100 to 120 words, there will be 2 questions from behive. You need to answer only one, which carry 5 marks, and in the next question you will get 2 questions from movements, and you need to answer only one, which carry 5 marks in around 100 to 120 words. So this is the pattern of your examination. Now moving towards deleted topics. So there are some deleted topics, right? These topics are deleted from grammar and writing and literature as well. So first of all, we discuss the deleted topic from the grammar. So usage of passive voice is deleted, clauses is deleted, preposition is deleted. In the writing portion, later on situation is deleted, descriptive paragraph on a place or event is deleted. Moving towards the literature portion, there are 5 lessons which are deleted from behive: the Lake Isle of Anistri, the snake and the mirror, the duck and the kangaroo, Kathmandu, a slumber did my spirit still. These are deleted from the behive. And the 2 lessons from movements, Ishwaran, the storyteller, and the accidental tourist. These are deleted. Moving towards mark wise questions. So here you have 40 questions of 1 mark each, total is 40 marks. 4 questions of 2 marks each, total is 8 marks. 4 questions of 3 marks each, total is 12 marks. And 5 questions of 4 marks each, it will carry 20 marks, and the grand total is 80 marks. So that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe, happy learning, and thank you very much.